Hi everyone, this is me Kate here and I welcome you to another episode of our tutorial videos. And today's video I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot on ClipChamp. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your account on ClipChamp and you have proper internet connection on your device. After that, we will create a new video on our ClipChamp. So click on create a new video option. Now you will be directed to this page. Then you have to import media from your device by clicking on this import media option right here. Now select the media that you want to edit. Suppose I'm going with this one. Once you import the media, make sure to drag the video to your timeline. Now you want to take screenshot right here. Will you be able to do that? ClipChamp doesn't have any features that says screenshot. Even though you search for screenshot option at the left hand side of screen or go to your right hand side, you will not be able to see any features that says screenshot. So for that, you can simply take screenshot on your device by going through any shortcut or by any app. I'm going with spinning tool. For that, I'm using the shortcut key Windows Shift and S. Now I will be able to take a screenshot right here. Once I'm done with that, a spinning tool will pop up. Once you click on there, you will again able to edit your screenshot and then simply save the screenshot to your device. So in this way, you can take screenshot on ClipChamp. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel, like the videos, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.